Hey everyone, it's Lisa from moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking on this video and spending a little time with me today. So today we're going to be memory planning for the week of January 18th in my Recollections Celestial planner. And I've already kind of pre-planned out my weeks for what I think I know is going to be, supposed to be happening, what I'm trying to do this week. So that's what you're seeing right now. If you want to see how I pre-plan my weeks, I'll have that video linked down below, or it'll pop up in the cards so you can watch it before you, watch this if you want, or after, whatever. Anyways, for this one, I just like to go in day by day with my leftovers from the sticker kit and just kind of fill in all of the little blank spots so that I can look back on, my memories with when I, flip through my old planners and stuff. So anyways, starting with Monday, I'm going to take a little thing from the kit, and I don't tend to really use these as they kind of were meant to be used from way back 4 or 5 years ago when people did little things all the time. But I'll use them as kind of like a tiny, an eighth box or something. I don't know. Anyways, I'm just going to use one of those upside down. So I'm going to use a little laptop from the Give and Girl to go over the little icon there. And that's just to mark that because we booked a cruise for 2022 and I needed to go into the website to update the names for the people who are, coming on the cruise, my family, my family members. And then also on Monday, I took a walk. I was supposed to work out because I do work out 7 days a week recently. Been doing pretty good with that, except this week I did not. This week I just took pretty much the whole week off. So I'm taking a little binder clip and a little fun size box from the Giving Girl, and then this pretty little leafy decoration from Honey Inked. And then I'm going to layer a few dots, transparent dots from the Giving Girl, and then a little tennis shoe icon doodle from Watercolor Designs, which is a shop that I PR for. Just to mark that I took a walk on Monday, and I used a take a walk script from the Giving Girl as well. And yeah, usually I have been really good at working out 7 days a week and starting this new workout regimen. You know what I mean? Routine, whatever. And but this week was just a no-go for me because it was that time of the month and I was in horrible pain. So I was like, no, I'm just gonna take a walk today. So then also just to kind of spruce up the little white spaces that are just kind of a little awkward and hard to place, I'm just gonna take this little divider flourish from Honey Inked and I'm gonna cut it up and make it kind of little, I don't know, dangly bits to just make it look cute. And so that's pretty much it for my Monday. I put for my gratitude in my sidebar walk because it was nice taking a walk. Usually I'll just take a walk after my son gets out of school. We'll take a walk together, because he's sitting on a computer all day, and so we'll just spend some time and take a walk together. Tuesday I'm starting with actually this is a headache sheet from the Coffee Monsterz Co, but there is one that is kind of laying down in bed. And that was literally just me all day Tuesday again because of these cramps. They were so bad. I didn't even walk. It was ugh, hell. So anyways, I'm just going to layer the little Coffee Monsterz Co emoji. I didn't really have a headache, but I didn't really have any other way to mark cramps and laying in bed all day. So this is the closest thing I could find. And I'm just taking that with some of the little Giving Girl transparent dots just to mark in my planner that I was basically just in bed all day. I probably could have used a pillow or something, but I have very few little pillow stickers. They're usually pink, so they wouldn't even match this spread. And also they usually have eyelashes and stuff that make them look super girly, and it has nothing to do with cramps. So I think the emoji worked pretty okay. Then moving on to the bottom of Tuesday, I'm going to take a half box from the kit and I'm going to layer that with a little sushi. It kind of looks like a little plate of sushi or a bento box maybe or something. Anyways, it's just a little sushi doodle from Watercolor Designs. And then the kit, I also purchased the little foiled add-on sheet, and it comes with these little clear icons. So I just used a little bow to make it look cute. And I wrote Sushi Wow because that's the name of our current favorite all-you-can-eat sushi restaurant. And then I'm going to take one of these really pretty dainty dividers from the Giving Girl because it looks so cute. But yeah, I just wrote sushi for my gratitude, and we had sushi for dinner on Tuesday because I just was having such bad pain. I did not want to move out of my bed and didn't want to cook dinner. My husband would have cooked dinner. He has no problem cooking dinner at all. It's just I was just having a crappy day and I felt like sushi, so we got some sushi. Wednesday, I'm going to take a little thing from the kit, and I'm actually going to leave the icon that's there because it's a TV icon, so why not? I just marked that we watched the inauguration. And by the way, do you say inauguration or inauguration? Because I've heard both ways, and I'm like, what? I don't know. I say inauguration because it's got the like you are there, but yeah, I've heard people on TV say inauguration, and I'm just like, what? Anyways, let me know, how do you say it? Then I'm going to take this, like, I think it's a quarter box from the kit. I'm going to layer that with a little tiny flag in the kit, and then a little transparent star from that sheet, and then just divide that up with a little page marker divider from the Giving Girl, just to mark that we went to, we like once a month, we'll just kind of like go to this store where it's legal here in my state to obtain a substance that makes you feel happy. And so I just kind of try to skate around the YouTube terms of services with mentioning that kind of thing, you know. But anyways, we're not like, we just go every now and then, you know what I mean, like once a month, and we don't it was a day to celebrate because it was inauguration, you know. So we went there to get some stuff so that we could have a little fun and celebrate. You know, some people like to maybe drink a few beers or wine. I'm not really too much of a drinker, so yeah. That's how we celebrated. And then also to celebrate, I'm gonna take this transparent dot from the Giving Girl, and then I have this adorable little hand doodled tarot card doodle from Watercolor Designs, and then one of her little transparent star stickers as well. As I'm just gonna layer that over this. I love this little sticky note from the Giving Girl with the little clip on it and the bow and the little corners lifted up. It's so cute. And I'm just gonna put a little clear bow from the Giving Girl over the tarot cards. And underneath that, I'm going to layer this little, you know, black no foil leafy flourish or whatever, just to mark that it was my first time. Oh, and that's from Honey Inked. And just to mark that that was my first time actually using my tarot cards. I've had them for months, maybe like 6 months now, I don't know. And I haven't used them because I've just been like really nervous that I want to, like, I'm such a perfectionist that I feel like I can't use, you know, I can't do something, or I can't start something, or I can't use something if I don't know absolutely everything about it, because then I have no confidence. And so I've had the tarot cards for a while, and I've just never used them because, again, I just felt like I feel like it's like imposter syndrome or something, you know, like if I'm not an expert at something and I'm not totally confident, then I'm just like, I don't trust myself, and I feel like I'm going to get called a fake or like a poser, or like I don't know what I'm doing. And so it's something I do struggle with, because I always tell myself to like stop trying to be a perfectionist, you know. But today was, well, Wednesday, that day was the first day that I used my tarot cards, and it felt great. And I just used some little strips of washi of the top of the Capitol Hill building just down there just to fill in some space. And I wrote for my Gratitude Wednesday, new president and vice president, because how amazing. So yeah, I finally just got the courage up to just be like, you know what, I'm not going to be an expert on tarot cards unless I start using and practicing with tarot cards. So like, hello, just get over it and just do it, you know. So I finally just did it on Wednesday, and I've been doing a card every day ever since. So it feels great. It's amazing to just kind of like, you know, connect with the universe and trust my intuition. Moving on to Thursday. Thursday was my mom's birthday, and I accidentally forgot to write mom in the half box when I was like pre-planning, so I wrote in mom. And then I found this adorable little combination that I'm obsessed with, where I take one of these little, it's like a sheet of strips of boxes that I got from the Giving Girl from an Oops bag. And I've held on to them for so long, I didn't know what to do with them, but I decided I could cut each little box out, and it would be like a little fun size box. And so I think it looks so cute because I layered it with a little mail truck from Crafts by Thaowie, and basically made my own little kind of fun size box. And then I added a little bowstring from the Giving Girl's advent calendar. She had like a whole sheet of these little bowstring bowstring string things, you know. And I just put it on the top, so I made my own little DIY bowstring box, and I think it's so adorable, and I'm definitely going to be using that way more often to make your own little box. Super cute. And then I just did another like dangly thing with the Honey Inked divider cut up, and just wrote Bernie memes for Thursday's Gratitude, because these freaking Bernie memes, y'all. These Bernie memes are giving me life. I love them so much. They're hilarious. Oh, Bernie, you're what America needs. Moving on to Friday, I'm going to take a couple of dots and layer that with another bow laptop thing from the Giving Girl. And just to mark that, I needed to email my resume over to my cousin-in-law, because she has a job opening at her work, and she said she could forward my resume to the hiring manager. So, wish me luck. I'm not very confident just because the work that, like the office that she works at, the industry, I have like no experience in the industry. I do have some experience in the job title that I applied for, well, that she's sending, you know, my application for, but the industry that she works in, I have no experience in. So I'm like, I guess we'll see. Then for my gratitude for Friday, I wrote tarot again, because I've been doing it daily since then, but I had an interesting spread on Fridays anyways. I was just grateful for it. And I used the little honey inked flourish flowery thing again. What are those called? I don't know. Anyways, Saturday I just checked off my checklist, and then I layered a star bowstring box from the Give and Go with another honey inked kind of sunburst mandala thing. And I'm going to layer that with a transparent icon with the shopping cart and the bow from Simply Watercolor Co. just to mark that I had a Target pickup. Because, you know, you can order like on Target.com and then pick it up in store and it's like already ready. They'll just bring it out to you curbside. And they had a good sale on some silverware, and I really needed some more because I have enough spoons and forks, spoons and knives, but for some reason I have like hardly any forks. I have like 5 forks in the house, and I'm so annoying because, you know, we run out of forks after eating for a day. And so they had some silverware, and I was so grateful to get these silverwares. So my gratitude was forks because I needed some really bad, and they're really pretty. They were like they're rainbow chrome. They're not just like silver, they're extra. And we always watch our little movie night on Saturday, so we watched the animated old school Fox and the Hound on Disney Plus, and I used the little page marker divider from the Give and Girl just to finish off Saturday. Sunday, I'm just checking off my checklist. I didn't check meal prep because honestly, I didn't have time to meal prep. We didn't even go grocery shopping like we were supposed to, but anyways. Then I'm going to take a quarter box from the kit and a YouTube hand-drawn bow doodle foiled from Dashes and Designs, because I uploaded my plan with me. Surprise! I almost never upload on Sundays, even though I want to. And I finally did. Then I'm going to take this cute little like flowery flourishy thing from Honey Inked, but this one is from like an older Rachel of Gathered Plans freebie. And I'm going to layer that with these cute little dumbbell weights from Planner Pixie Co. And then take another, I love how skinny and dainty these are, a little bow divider from the Give and Girl with like the little bow offset instead of in the center. It's so cute. And that's just because Sunday was a weight day, because finally I wasn't feeling like cramp death anymore. You know, the pain had surpassed, and I was like, let me go ahead and jump back into my workout. So Sunday I did a weight day, and I felt great and I felt stronger. So I just put that for my gratitude on Sunday. Anyways, and as you can see, it says Jessica Hearts there under that little strip of washi, or on top of it, just because I like to mark who the kit is from. So when I go back and look at my planners and my spreads, I will remember what shop this kit was from. Anyways, that is it for this memory plan with me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up because it helps out my channel and my video, and I truly appreciate your support. Definitely subscribe so you don't miss more of my videos. I upload about 2 to 3 videos a week. And leave me a comment if you have a question about anything, or if you just want to say hi, and I'll say hi back because I love responding to your comments, and I appreciate you taking the time to leave a comment for me. I hope that you all are well, and always remember that you are loved, you are worthy, and you are enough just the way that you are, and don't let anyone ever tell you otherwise. I hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have a wonderful rest of your day, your week. Hope you had an amazing inauguration, and I will see y'all in my next video. All right, take care, y'all. Bye.